Hi and welcome to Office Fluent. My name is Jan, and today we're going to take another look at Excel and especially at the conditional formatting. Let's dive right in. The question is, what is conditional formatting? So, first of all, you can find conditional formatting if you're in the Home tab, and right around the middle there's a button Conditional Formatting. And when I click on it, I can see there's a few options: highlight cell rules, top and bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon sets, and also new rule, manage rules, and clear rules. Conditional formatting is set by a condition. So, for example, if the value in a specific cell is a specific value, or bigger or smaller than another value, then we want to apply format on the cell. And this can be especially useful if you have cells that changes value and you need an indicator that this cell is now, for example, above average. Okay, let's give some examples, shall we? Let's take a look at these three basic sets: data bars, color scales, and icon sets. They pretty much do all the same, though I'm just going to show one of them, and you can repeat the same for all the others. If I mark all of these cells here for profit, for example, it's 120 sets, so it takes a while to get down here. And then I'm clicking on conditional formatting and data bars. And I just select one of the gradient fills here as an example. You can see there are data bars behind the numbers that indicate how full the cell is. These data bars are at maximum for the highest number I've selected here. So this would be I think 2600, somewhere around here. Here. So there the bar is full and the rest is based on the percentual value. If I would increase this to 26,000, you can see all the other bars suddenly drop very low. So let's get back here so you can actually see something. If I want to get rid of the conditional formatting I have on the page, I can click on conditional formatting, clear rules, and then I can either select the cells I want to remove the formatting or clear rules from the entire sheet. What I also can do is, and I don't know if you remember the trick, but if you hold Shift and Control while selecting a cell and then just press the button down, you can select the whole row at once, everywhere that is a value. And now I have the same values selected. I can click on conditional formatting, and now I'm going for top and bottom rules. So I want to have only the top 10% of these 120 items marked. And you can see there's a pop-up on the right, because now I can define a few things more. There you can see the range, which I marked before. If you didn't mark anything, you could still do it now. I want the top-bottom rule. I want the top 10%. And I want to fill this with a green fill and dark green text. And I click on done. And now you see I have a few things here selected, and it will be exactly 12 if somebody wants to count. So these are the very basics of conditional formatting. Like I said, it's if a condition is true, like here, if this number is one of the top 10%, it will get a format, in this case, a green color. From time to time, you not only want one cell colored, but you want a little bit more, you want a bit more versatility. So what you can do is, instead of just marking this one line, I can mark the whole table, go to conditional formatting and say new rule. And now it's by default highlight cells with a cell value greater than something, but I don't want that. I want to set this to a formula. And now it's going to format all values where this formula is true. So what can I do here? I can place formulas in. And now I'm going to say if this cell here, oh wait, let me go to the top. If this cell is greater than 2000, I want the filling we had for the last time, green fill with a dark green text. So if I just went and clicked done, well, nothing would change because this one field is not bigger than 2000. It's 791. But you can see here that the system already placed two $signs in front of the F and in front of the 2. What this does is it says, okay, we are only going to take a look at the F column and we're only going to take a look at the second row. But if I were to delete the $sign in front of the 2, now we're only going to take a look at the F column, but on all rows. And if I click done now, you can see the whole columns where the profit is bigger than 2000 has now been colored green. This is extremely useful if you have very wide tables and you probably don't even see the column you want to format for, but you want to see what is at the end. For example, what articles are producing that much revenue. And you can see it's mainly ladies' shoes and a few men's shoes. So that's pretty much all about conditional formatting. Please take a look, please play around with it. It can be very useful from time to time, especially if you have to present some values and you want to show that if something changes, the colors change. And I do have one question for you though. Would you be interested in getting like homework or assignment sheets with these videos so you can try it out with the same material I have here? If so, please place a comment down below and tell me. And if not, then don't. And if you liked this video, please leave a like, or don't if you didn't, and subscribe for more content. The next video will also be on Excel, and we will see each other next week. Have a great day. Bye bye.